Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mandy and this is Living Life Within a Budget. Today we have another Temu haul. I had a lot of birthday gifts to get, so I figured why not go on over to Temu and check it all out there and see if I can get myself a good deal, and I did. Let's get into it. So first thing I got from this Temu order is actually already in use. Here's a clip of it, but it is a cell phone case, and it is a Motorola case or something, but it does have an alien with a ship on it. My husband really needed a new phone case because he actually just got a new phone, and he's a very big klutz. Anybody else out there klutz like my husband? Okay, so second item here technically is a pin, and this is for my oldest son's father. His birthday is coming up, but it's the Cheshire Cat on a pin. I really like this. I'm gonna have to get another one for myself, to be honest with you. Okay, and next item here, my husband actually got a set of these about 5 months ago, and his hasn't tarnished. And it still looks great. And for the price of them, I thought it was worth a try. Oh my God, they look so blingy. It's just a chain, and it's a chain and a bracelet set for a man. And there's the bracelet there. They're very shiny. Now, my husband did already get a set of these 5 months ago, and his are still in pristine condition, and he wears them almost every day. So I figured for the price of these, and they're really sturdy, that my father-in-law would love these. And it's a nice, decent long size too. That'll probably come down to about here on them, which is good. I believe I got a 30-inch. Yeah, 30 inches. So then the bracelet that comes with. Now, I do say that the bracelet seems a bit small. Maybe it's just me. Hopefully this will still fit him though. But that was also a 2-piece set, so even better of a deal, I think. And next items we have here are some tin signs. Are you shocked? Because I'm not. Look at my wall. It's starting to come along. But I also got this one for myself. It is Donkey Kong. And I can't get over these tin signs. I know I say it in almost every Temu haul now because I end up throwing 1 or 2 of them in there. But these tin signs are really, like, for the money of them, $5. And for something that's awesome and old school, heck yeah. But this one's gonna be for me. It'll be back on the wall next video, so make sure that you subscribe for that one and this one. Who remembers this show growing up? This was amazing, and I love Will Smith, and so I had to get the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air as soon as I seen it. And I love the bright colors on it and the pop. It's just, it had to be for me. It is definitely awesome. Okay, and next one is for my hubby. As soon as I seen this, I had to throw it in the cart because I knew my hubby would love it. And it says, wanted, loitering and intent to distribute, Jay and Silent Bob, Snoochie Boochies, and then the $500 reward is crossed out. My husband is a big fan of Kevin Smith and Jay and Silent Bob. So having a tin sign to be able to represent one of his favorite things is going to be amazing for him. Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys like Jay and Silent Bob? Because I know a lot of people are either they like them or they hate them. I love them. They're pretty awesome. Now, and this is also a tin sign, but this is going to be for my stepfather. But it's the Big Bang Theory. I think he's gonna really like this. Now, the weird thing about the tin signs for Big Bang Theory, I searched them up the one day and then they weren't there. They didn't have anything. And then the next day it got recommended to me, a tin sign of Big Bang Theory, which was a different one than this one. And then all of a sudden there was like 10 to choose from. So I don't know if like when you search something enough, maybe they put it in their repertoire of what they get. But I think my stepfather's gonna be really happy. And last but not least, the Cheshire Cat. And this is also gonna be for my oldest son's birthday. My oldest son's father's birthday, my bad. Now, one of my sons actually said that this looks really creepy. I love it. He looks so maddening. And that's the whole point. And these tin signs, like none of them came bent and there was no protection on any of them. So for some reason, Temu has their tin signs where they don't bend. Sometimes AliExpress, you'll get them. You may have seen in a short that I did a couple weeks ago that AliExpress had completely failed with their shipping. And it was a tin sign of Breaking Bad and it was folded right in half. That does end up damaging the picture in itself because to bend it back, it just doesn't look right afterwards. But Temu never comes bent. I don't know how they do it, and they don't have protection on them. So I don't know if they're like a stronger metal or what, but they seem to be working for me. I love them. I can't wait to get more. Can't wait to keep adding to my collection. And yes, you may see that my spooky tree is out. I will be doing a spooky video sometime in October to get more things to decorate my house, but I like to put it up a little early because that's just me. And I like the spooky time. So if you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss when I post a new video. If you'd like to join up to Temu, make sure that you're clicking the affiliate link that's in the description box below. That affiliate link can get you up to $100 off in coupons when you first sign up. Who doesn't want $100 off in coupons, right? I do. So hit that link in the description box. Leave a comment. What was your favorite tin sign? Do you guys like the idea of the tin signs? Because I personally, I'm so overwhelmed with them. I love them so much. I just want to keep adding and adding to my collection. And I will. But let me know in the comments below. Do you guys like the tin signs? Do you guys like the different tin signs that I've been able to get? Let me know if you're on the hunt for any of them. Make sure you guys all have a beautiful day. Bye.